estate planning. If it's not written down, it will not be done. I'm going to share a story from our client's file. Hi, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop, from Cooper's Accounting Service, because your financial freedom matters. If you like more great tax tips, download our proper financial guide from our website, yourfinancialfreedommatters.com, below this video link. We had a client whose mother had 3 children. The oldest child was the primary caregiver. Mom told the oldest child, I'm going to give you $30 million. 15 mil goes to you, 7.5 goes to your brother, and the other 7.5 goes to your sister. Daughter said, okay. Mom dies. Daughter said, well, Mom left me $30 million. I guess Mom wanted me to keep the $30 million. So obviously the 2 siblings were financially impacted by this, and the emotional struggle is beyond belief. You can't imagine that one would think you about to inherit $7.5 million and you get 0. They eventually took their sister to court. They even had the trust advisor as the key witness. Sadly, how the trust was written, the judge had to go in favor with the oldest sister, even though the judge knew that the oldest sister was lying. Legally, he had to go with the legal binding of the trust. That's the reason why we suggest that you have tax advisor, financial advisor, and the trust advisor all get together and come up with a single plan that benefits the client's last instructions before they depart from here. Sadly, that was not done the way that it should have been done, because Mom thought that the oldest sister, who's the primary caregiver, felt that she would be doing the right thing to her other 2 children. So you had cousins that did not get a chance to meet who they were until they came of age and was going to college together. And they eventually realized what Mom did, even though they could not change that. They lost respect for their mother because they know that she basically stole $15 million, which is sad yet true. For more easy financial tips, sign up for a financial newsletter by going to yourfinancialfreedommatters.com or click on the link below this video. You can also download a financial guide as well. If you like, for a free 20-minute smart money consultation, call us at 562-436-2600. Well, again, I'm Stephen D. Cooper at Cooper's Accounting Service. Don't miss our next video, which we will share the history of wills, how they came into existence.